Okay, a very last and simple exercise. Can't go wrong, because we only try to do it. We do not have to manage. And it's all about that the body or the senses or the lower senses realize, oh, they seem to me, because they're dealing with aspects of me others don't have. So they probably mean me. And then they come a step forward. What do they want from me? Yeah, or what is there anything to see? They are also curious, not only us. And just to start with, become aware that the thighs are attributed to Sagittarius, and the ruler of Sagittarius is Jupiter. Oh. And then the sense of movement is attributed to Capricorn. The ruler is Saturn. Ooh. And then the sense of life is attributed to Aquarius, which is also attributed to Saturn. You. And the feet belong to Pisces, and the ruler of the Pisces is again Jupiter. Oh, so we have a theme of 4 different zodiac signs ruled by 2 rulers. Oh, and you, Jupiter and Saturn. So to remember, Jupiter was in the thighs and in the feet, and it's O. So we just try now, just bend the feet a little bit, and just the legs, and then just stretch your thighs, create an O gesture, and by doing this, land in your feet. And you don't have to go through the lower legs. No, it's just wake up in your feet. They are interconnected naturally. One more time, just notice how natural this is. Activate your thighs to create the O, and notice the springs in the feet. Return to yourself. Let go. One little step forward just to relax. And then we do the U gesture. Again, we do just the same. We just bend the knees, but now just tickle on lovingly on your knees. And then we do a U gesture forward, and you bring your knees backwards, and you try to wake up in your calves. Now it's stretched and I feel my calves. Ooh. One more time. A little step forward to relax. Bend the knees, and now you are in the knees, and you move your knees backwards, and you wake up in your calves while the moving backwards of the knees produces the U. Great. Relax like that. And now, to have a little bit of fun, we go back again, that we have maybe 3 steps forwards, enough space, and we do the O gesture while we are walking forward, and we try to feel our thighs by doing it, and also feel our feet. We start. Oh, feel the thighs, feel the feet. Feel the thighs, feet, thighs. Feel all of them. Them 2, them 4, depending on how you count. And when we walk backwards, we do the U, and we try to feel the knees and the lower legs. Ooh, knees, lower legs. just them two. And arrive at yourself, and we do it the last time. Sit down and just relax. The O in feel thighs and feet. O. Thighs and feet. And you. Ooh. Knees and lower legs. Return to yourself, relax, sit down and ask your legs if they liked it. Never mind if you succeeded it. Don't ask them if you were good. Just ask them if they liked it. And when you now listen in your legs, maybe you can just spend a few nice thoughts or words towards your upper senses. You feel your legs, but just remember your sense of hearing. And your capacity of enjoying the beauty of words. And the capacity of understanding thoughts. And your capacity of looking at a friend as a fellow being. You and me. Just and always stay in your legs. Upper legs, balance, knee, allowing movement, lower legs, life, feet, touch. And then just let go and just notice what do these thoughts do to your inner uprightness, your inner awakeness, or whatever beautiful things you can perceive now.